Unlock the full potential of Dynamics 365 Business Central by personalizing your home screen. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficiency is key, and customizing your home screen is the first step towards optimizing your workflow. From rearranging tiles to configuring views, we'll walk you through each step, ensuring you have the tools and knowledge needed to create a workspace that works for you. First, select the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to access your settings. Then, select Personalize from the list of setting options. Once you do this, you will see that your screen changes slightly. A personalization toolbar will appear at the top of the screen. Hovering over the items in your dashboard will cause a red icon to appear. This red icon allows you to hide, show, or move any of the items on your home screen. To hide an item, click on the red icon and select Hide. Once the item is hidden, it will fade out on your screen. You can also select items to move them by clicking on the item and dragging it to a new location. You can move almost anything on this dashboard to customize it to your benefit and make it work more efficiently for you. If you want to start over and reset your dashboards to their default settings, click on Clear Personalization and select All. Then click Yes to clear the personalization changes you have made. To add new fields to your dashboard, click on the Add Field button in the Personalization toolbar at the top of your screen. This will open the field panel on the right where you can add or remove entire fields from your dashboard. Choose from recommended fields or explore advanced field options. When you're all done, close the Fields panel and then select Done at the top of the screen to exit the personalization mode. There are many benefits to customizing your home screen in Dynamics 365 Business Central. Customizing your home screen allows you to access your most used features quickly, reducing time spent navigating menus. You can tailor your dashboard to fit your workflow for a more intuitive interface, making it easier to find what you need. Personalizing your dashboards with key metrics and tasks helps you make informed decisions faster. By selecting relevant data sources and visualizations, you gain deeper insights into business performance in real time. Finally, you can tailor your dashboard to suit your specific responsibilities, ensuring you have the tools and information you need to succeed. Another way you can personalize your Business Central experience is in the customer list. Select Customers at the top of the screen to open the customer list. You'll see your list of customer names on the left, but if you scroll to the right, you will lose sight of that column. To make it so you can see the customers' names as you scroll to the right, you can freeze the column. To freeze a column in your customer list, click on the gear icon at the top of the screen again and select Personalize to enter the personalization mode. Find the column you want to freeze and click on the red icon next to its header. Select Set Freeze Pane and the column will remain in place as you scroll, allowing you to see the customer name as you explore additional data columns. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to personalize your home screen in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions, you can enter them in the comments below or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.